너무 맛있다. So delicious. 好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babshi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook green onion pancake. Do you know this green onion pancake? In Korea, normally raining day, we make a Korean pancake and we eating with some Korean makgeolli. Do you know rice wine? And then it's very much nice. But we have also, you know, Korea very famous kimchi pancake. Also this green onion pancake. Also this green onion in the pancake, we put some seafood, something like this. Today I just simple make with green onion and pancake. Do you know? And then now I will introduce these ingredients. This green onion and flour and cooking oil, salt, egg, water, like this. Now I will start. We put the water and then mix. Maybe put more water. You know, like this. We put the oil here. Yes, and the egg, a little bit put. Very nice. Yee, success. Ready?